Hi there. So today I'm going to show you how we can design a quiz from scratch. So for that, you just have to go to the design tab on any of your quiz here. And then we have different options here. Let's say layout. So you can choose the type of layout that you want, whether you want it to be left aligned, right aligned, or center aligned. I'm going to stick with the center aligned here. And we have the font settings. To be honest, the font settings you won't have to change much if you are looking for your website's font to be implemented to the quiz because our byte actually inherits your store's font by default and applies it to the quiz. And we have the colors and styles option. This is where you need to put more of your concentration here. This is a background color here. Let's say white. So I'm going to add the white hex code here. That is 6Fs, right? And then we have the quick settings and advanced settings here. To go deeper into all of the options, you can uncheck the quick settings and go to the advanced settings here. You have various options, answers and buttons and all of that. Let's say my theme here is baby products. So I'm going to go with baby pink and baby blue colors here. So let's say for the answers, I would like to begin with the baby pinks. So I'm going to paste that color here. So that gets applied. Similarly for the border color. And then you can also control the border thickness. This is in pixels. And in the selected state, let's say I want to add the blue color. Similarly, you can make the rest of the changes, the label color, and then the buttons as well. You can change the button text here, also the button background color here, button text color, button border color, not just for submit button, but the OK button as well. The step button. We also have the progress bar. Let's say I want to have the fill color as well as pink, viral color as well. You can even change the error messages here by editing these options. And let's save and preview this. There are a few things that is not editable using the quiz editors. So let's say this is the content form. We don't have the fields for this yet. It could be anything else also. Let's say I want to change the color of this text right here. So I'm just going to click on Control Shift I and I'm going to take the tool here and inspect the class name here. So the class name for this is the GBTU page item title. So I'm just going to copy this and I'm going to go to custom CSS here. Going to paste this. You can take the help of the developer or you can take our help to get these things done as well. So let's say I want to use the color baby pink here. I'm going to save this. As you can see, the color has changed. Going to click on Start Quiz. So this applies on each of the page titles. You can specifically change for the content screen as well. Let me show that quickly. I'm just going to inspect this and select the second class here. That is the content page item. And then I'm going to with the baby blue color here and refresh the page and you get the change. So as you can see, the pages have different colors. Screen has a different color, the questions. So in a similar way, you can control the styling of your entire quiz. You can also add a background image in this background image option and select the different fits for different screens. So this is how you can design your quiz from scratch. You can also reach out to us over chat or book a discovery call wherever you are stuck or you think you might need. Thank you.